Alright, today we're going to be working with the Pythagorean theorem, and everybody's heard of that famous saying or the famous theorem, but what it is it deals with right triangles, and what it says is the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We've all heard that before. This obviously isn't one of our triples, and we do have the hypotenuse, so we know that 7 squared plus x squared is equal to 14 squared. So we're going to try to find x is going to be equal to 14 squared minus 7 squared. And x squared is going to be equal to 14 squared and minus 7 squared equals 147. We're going to take the square root and square root. We're going to get x is equal to the square root of 147. Now, this is a good time to try to think about squares that you know. So, if I can break this out into two things that I know, which I knew, I can see that this is divided by can be divided by 3. 147. Anything that when you add the numbers adds up to something that can be divided by 3, then that number can be divided by 3, and we get 3 times the square root of 49. We know that the square root of 49 is 7, so 7 square root 3 is our answer. And if we can leave them like that, that would be better. If we're looking for a specific distance or measure, then we would go ahead and put form. So here we're looking at skyscrapers that are being held together. We want to find the length of the hypotenuse. So we know that we're going to have 23.26 squared plus 47.57 squared is going to be equal to x squared. We get, and I'm just going to do this. I'm just going to take the square root of 23.26 squared and put it into my calculator. 47.57 squared to get x. And I get x is about, because we're rounding off, 52.95. Alright, so number 1, thinking if we have any triples. Don't see a triple. So we're going to have, and I'm going to do this same thing, I'm going to do square root of 4 squared plus 6 squared is equal to x. 4 squared is 16, 6 squared is 36, so we're going to get the square root of 52. I know that that doesn't simplify, so I would accept you leaving that answer, but I went ahead and figured out that numerical is 7.21, and that's not a triple. Number 2 is a triple, and our x value is going to be 4. So the triple 345 is shown there. Number 3, we know that we're going to have the square root of 6 squared minus 5 squared because we have the hypotenuse and we want to find that shorter side of D. And D is going to be about 3.32. Alright. The converse of the Pythagorean theorem says that if you have squares, if two sides squared equals the other side squared, then it's a right triangle. So we want to look at number A, and we want to see if 8 squared plus 7 squared is equal to 113, because they're taking the square root of 113. So 8 squared is 64 plus 49, and that equals 113. 64 plus 49 equals 113 equals 113, so that's a right triangle. We're going to take the other two down here. 15 squared is 225, and 36 squared is 1296, and 16 times 95 is 1520. So I add these up and I get 1521 is equal to 1520. That's not true. That's not a right triangle. Alright, so in this practice we want to go 9 squared, which is 81, plus 15 squared, which is 225, and see if it equals 9 times 34, which is 306. 81 plus 225 is equal to 306, equals 306. So that is a right triangle, and I'm just going to put RT. So on this one we're going to go 14 squared plus 22 squared, and see if it equals 26 squared. 14 squared is 196, 22 squared is 484, and we want to see if that equals 676. And when I add those together, they equal 680. Does not equal 676. Okay, so now we can classify triangles using the Pythagorean theorem. And what we're going to do is, if the hypotenuse squared is less than the sum of the two sides squared, that's going to be an acute triangle. If the hypotenuse squared is larger than the sum of the other two sides squared, it's going to be an obtuse triangle. So let's look at that. We're going to have a triangle, so we're going to go 4.3 squared plus 5.2 squared, and see if it equals 6.1 squared or if it's going to be something different. And what we're going to get, 4.3 is 18.49, 5.2 squared is 27.04, and 6.1 squared is 37.21. And I can obviously see that that's going to add up to be more than 37. 45.53 is greater than 37.21, so this is an acute triangle. Number 6, we have 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 6 squared. 3 squared is 9 plus 16 is equal to 36. 25 is less than 36, so that triangle is obtuse. Finally, we have 2.1 squared plus 2.8 squared. Let's see if it's equal to 3.5 squared. We get 4.41 plus 7.84. And we want to see if it's equal to 12.25. And it does add up to 12.25. So it is a right triangle.